Hello friends, good evening. Today I'm going to cook for you authentic Indian lemon pepper fried chicken. So let's get. Here I have 4 leg quarters. They've been washed. Now I'm going to make a couple of slits across the chicken so that all the spices get absorbed. 1, 2, 3. This will ensure that the chicken is well cooked. So the first thing that we'll be doing is marinating the chicken. Yogurt as the base. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Let's add 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning. Paprika powder. This gives the spiciness. Seasoning salt. 1 tablespoon of garam masala to give that authentic Indian taste. Let's add a little bit of pepper, olive oil. It's time to give it a mix and let's put on the gloves. Let's give it a good massage. Apply the marinade deep into the slits. Set it aside for about 2 hours, or you can keep it overnight for better results.